Hi, I'm Dr. Ramp. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about one of the common conditions we see here at Revive. Tight forearms are really common these days, especially with people working at a computer for long hours. When the forearms get tight, people can start to develop pain and tingling in the wrist and hand. So I'm going to show you a couple quick stretches you can do anytime at home to prevent this from getting too tight and creating problems in your hands. So all you need is a wall. You're going to put your hand flat against the wall and push into it. With these, you want to be careful that you're not bringing your shoulder up too high. A lot of times people want to do this, and that's going to put tension on your shoulder. So make sure your shoulder's set. Put your hand like this, and you just hold for about 30 seconds. And then you want to make sure you're doing all directions. So your hand up, and then you're going to flip your hand over and go this way. 30 seconds in this position as well. And then you also want to flip your hand the other way. So you're going to go like this. If this is too much tension on your elbow, you can skip this one. And then you're going to flip this way. And doing these a couple times throughout the day will prevent your forearms from getting too tight. If you are continuing to have issues with your wrist and hand, give us a call. We'd be happy to check you out.